Welcome everybody to our channel, Patwa Tex Evridie. Patwa our language, and we feel good to share one more text with you from the Bible. Today's text come from 2 Timothy 2 verse 21 and 22. Listen what it say.
In one great house, you have enough different kind of bowl. You have gold bowl and silver bowl. Bowl we make out of wood, bowl we make out of clay, bowl where you use for special time, and bowl where you use every day. A same way it go with people. If anybody will clean up themselves and turn from all way wicked, him will come in like one of the special bowl them. And God we can use him to do special things. Him be ready to do all kind of good something.
Think about this. What is a text that teach me about God? How me can use it in my life? How me can use it help other people? One way we can use it help other people is to share it with them so them can live how God tell them to live. This is how me think. God really love we, and when we serve him, it make him happy. So we must read him word every day and think about it hard, then share it with people. Just remember say, when you wanna text far, it make the devil turn far.